Volkswagen has finally introduced the 2023 Volkswagen Amarok pickup truck, developed from scratch. The new pickup from the German giant has practically nothing in common with its predecessor, which has sold more than 8.3 lakh units since 2010. The new model adopts Ford's updated T6 platform, which has served as the basis for the latest Ford Ranger. Of course, it is more than an updated version of the oval signature model since Volkswagen worked hard to achieve its own visual identity. The 2023 Amarok will be offered in 5 variant options: Amarok, Lifestyle, Panamericana and Aventura. The 2023 Amarok continues its archetypal design but strengthened to give it a more powerful look. Up front is a horizontal upper radiator grille and narrow LED headlights and the word Amarok embossed over the number plate. At the sides are wheels up to 21 inches in diameter, filling in the half-round flat-topped wheel arches. At the back is a wide tailgate with the word Amaroks spelled across its width and C-shaped LED taillights. The Volkswagen Amarok body is available in 2 configurations, a 4-door double cab and a 2-door single cab, with no half-body options to choose from. Compared to the previous model, the wheelbase length has been increased by 173 mm to a total of 3270 mm, helping to increase the rear passenger area even more. It also increases the water wading capability from 500 mm to 800 mm to support tough driving, coupled with Volkswagen's signature 4-motion all-wheel drive system. Inside, the Amarok debuts what Volkswagen calls a digital cockpit with its 8-inch digital instruments and a tablet-style 10 or 12-inch infotainment screen. Regardless of screen size, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included. Features include an electronic parking brake, a 10-way power adjust for the driver's seat, dual-zone climate control, and a Harman Kardon sound system. The Amarok shares the next-generation Ranger's powertrain, and for that, the range starts with a single turbo 2-liter with 150 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. One level up is a 170 horsepower, 405 Nm of torque version. The most powerful 4-cylinder engine is a bi-turbo version of the same engine with 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Meanwhile, the strongest motor is a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel with 250 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. A single gasoline engine, a turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine is also available. The version arrives with 302 horsepower and 452 Nm of torque. With regards to transmission, depending on the engine, it will come with a 6-speed manual, 6-speed automatic or 10-speed automatic. Up to 6 different intelligent driving profiles assist the driver, making driving the Amarok even more effortless. Depending on the specification, version of the profiles are normal, eco, slippery, snow, sand, mud rut and tow haul. The all-new Volkswagen Amarok will be built only in one plant, and that's in South Africa. It will be exported through the markets to Oceania, Middle East, Africa, Europe by the end of the year.